I am fine and I hope that you be fine at your home. Dear student, I would like to say you that today I am going to teach you English literature. In English literature, we will study about lesson 3, the story of my experiments with truth. This lesson has been written by Mahatma Gandhi. Dear student, first of all, we will know about Mahatma Gandhi. As you know, about Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of our country. He wrote many books. Here in your book from lesson 3, he wrote about his life. Mahatma Gandhi was born 1869, properly known as Bapu, was one of the greatest leaders in the world. He led in India's struggle of independence and played a huge role in helping the country gain its freedom. He followed the path of truth and non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi wrote several books, including The Story of My Experiment with Truth, Satyagrah in South Africa, and Hind Swaraj. Dear student, now we will know about word meaning of this lesson. First, mediocre, suburban, dense, prompt, supervise. Here you can see the meaning of this word. Now we will read about a story. The story is Mahatma Gandhi valued and praised truth throughout his life. महात्मा गांधी अपने जीवन में सत्य का मूल्य समझे, सत्य का उपदेश दिया. Did he follow the path of truth and honesty in childhood too? Read the inspiring anecdote from his childhood in his own words to learn more about him. Mahatma Gandhi followed truth and non-violence. He believed in truth. सत्य में उनको विश्वास था. In first paragraph, he says that I must have been about 7 when my father left Porbandar for Rajkot to become a member of the Rajasthani court. There I was put into a primary school, and I can well recall those days, including the name and other particulars of the teachers who taught me. In this paragraph, Mahatma Gandhi said that he was about 7 years old. His father left Porobandar and went to Rajasthani court, and there he put him in a primary school. That age, Mahatma Gandhi recall those, including the names of other particular of the teacher who taught him. उस उम्र में भी महात्मा गांधी अपने सारे शिक्षकों को बाय नेम जानते थे. As at Porobandar, so there is hardly anything to note about my studies. I could only have been a mediocre student. From this school, I went to the suburban school and thence to the high school, having already reached my 12th year. About in 12th year, he was a mediocre student. Mediocre, you can see meaning of mediocre, not very good, of average standard. न बहुत अच्छा विद्यार्थी और न बहुत बुरा विद्यार्थी, जो एवरेज है, मिडिल है, उसको कहा गया मेडियोकेयर. तो उस समय वो न बहुत अच्छे थे न बहुत पढ़ाई में बुरे थे, मिडिल में थे. वो to the suburban school. From this school, it means that in primary school, he went to the suburban school and thence to the high school, having already reached his 12th year. वहाँ से वो सबरबैन एक स्कूल था, वहाँ गए और वहाँ से शहर के एक दूसरे स्कूल में गए जब उनका उम्र केवल 12 वर्ष का था. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. I do not remember having ever told a lie during this short period, either to my teachers or my classmates. I used to be very shy and avoided all company. My books and my lessons were my sole companions. To be at school at the stroke of the hour and to run back home as soon as the school closed, that was my daily habit. I literally ran back because I could not bear to talk to anybody. I was 7, even afraid lest anyone should poke fun at me. In this paragraph, he said that he do not remember having ever told a lie. उनको याद नहीं कि वह कब झूठ बोले थे. During this short period, either to my teachers or my classmate, वो न किसी शिक्षक से और न किसी अपने क्लास के सहपाठी से झूठ बोलते थे. He used to be very shy, वो शर्मीले थे. Avoided all company, और सारे संगतियों को अवॉइड करते थे. His book and his lessons were best friend. That time and to be at the school at the stroke of the hour and to run back home as soon as the school closed. वह समय से स्कूल जाते थे और जैसे ही स्कूल की छुट्टी होती थी, बंद होता था, तो वो दौड़े दौड़े अपने घर वापस आते थे. Because he could not bear talk to anybody. He was even afraid lest anyone should poke fun at him. वह इसलिए भागे भागे आते थे क्योंकि उनसे कोई मजाक न करे. Next paragraph. There is an incident which occurred at the examination during my first year at the high school and which is worth recording. My Gills, the educational inspector, had come on a visit of inspection. He had set us 5 words to write as a spelling exercise. One of the words was Catley. I had misspelled it. The teacher tried to prompt me with the point of his boot, but I would not be prompted. It was beyond me to see that he wanted me to copy the spelling from my neighbor's slate, for I had thought that the teacher was there to supervise us against copying. The result was that all the boys except myself were found to have spelled every word correctly. Only I had been stupid. In this paragraph, he said that there is an incident which occurred at the examination during my first year at the high school. When he studied in high school, an incident which occurred. Incident is that there was a inspector whose name was Mr. Gills. He was examinational inspector who came on visit of inspection. He had said all students 5 words to write and as a spelling exercise. One of the word was Catley. Mr. Gandhi had misspelled it. His teacher prompted that and point to his board that he would copy a spelling of this word in his neighbor's slate. But महात्मा गांधी नॉट प्रॉम्प्ट, वो उत्सुक नहीं हुए कॉपी करने के लिए, चोरी करने के लिए. Its result is all the boys except him were found have spelled every word correctly and he was stupid. सारे बच्चे सही सही लिख लिए और ये उस वर्ड का स्पेलिंग गलत लिखे, इसलिए ये मूर्ख बन गए. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ इज द टीचर ट्राइड लेटर टू ब्रिंग दिस स्टूपिडी होम टू मी बट विदाउट इफेक्ट. आई नेवर could learn the art of copying. Yet the incident did not in the last diminish my respect for my teacher. I was by nature blind to the fault of elders. My regard from him remained the same, for I had learned to carry out the orders of elders, not to escape their action. In this paragraph, he said that this incident did not affect his life. The teacher who has been prompt him, but he did not prompt, and the least diminish his respect for his teacher. He was by nature blind to fault of elders. वो अपने जीवन में अपने से बड़ों की गलती पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहे थे, नहीं देना चाहते थे. So his regard for him remained the same. इसलिए उनके अंदर जो शिक्षकों के प्रति सम्मान था वह बरकरार था, कोई अंतर उसमें नहीं हो पाया. He had learned to carry out the order of elders, not to escape their action. वो हमेशा अपने शिक्षकों, अपने से बड़ों के आदेश का पालन करते थे, उनका सम्मान करते थे, उनके किसी भी तरह के एक्शन को कॉपी नहीं करते थे. ओके.